Hi everyone, I am Ujjwal and you are watching Digitwise. In this video, I am going to show you how to make QuickTime Player the default audio player on Mac. If your audio files are opening in another app, such as Apple Music, but you prefer using QuickTime Player, you can change the default app that macOS uses to open that type of audio file. QuickTime Player can play both audio and video files, so this can be useful if you mainly want to use it for quickly opening and playing your local audio files. One important thing to understand is that macOS changes the default app based on the file type, so changing the default for one type of audio file doesn't automatically change it for every possible audio format. So first, open Finder and locate an audio file of the type you want to change. Right-click the file and select Get Info. In the Info window, look for the Open With section and click the drop-down menu next to it. From the list, select QuickTime Player. Now click Change All and confirm the change when macOS asks you whether you want to change the default application for this type of file. Once you do this, macOS will use QuickTime Player whenever you double-click audio files of that same file type. So if you want a different audio format to open in QuickTime Player as well, you will need to repeat the same process with a file of that format. So if this video helps you in any way, do like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.